Hello Fanatics! With our review of Colette coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! Anna Karenina is a romantic drama directed by Joe Wright, starring Keira Knightley, Jude Law, and Aaron Taylor Johnson. It follows the story of a Russian aristocrat who starts a life-changing affair with a count. This film has a similar atmosphere, style, tone, themes, and also stars Keira Knightley. There are sexual references and some intense scenes throughout. Big Eyes is a biographical drama directed by Tim Burton, starring Amy Adams, Christoph Waltz, and Danny Huston. It follows the story of a young painter who gains phenomenal success in the 1950s, only to face a legal battle with her husband when he starts to claim credit for her works. This film has a similar story elements, atmosphere, characters, tone, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. The Danish Girl is a biographical drama directed by Tom Hooper, starring Eddie Redmayne, Alicia Vikander, and Amber Heard. It follows the story of two artists who help one of them discover their true identity and undergo one of the first sex reassignment procedures. This film has a similar atmosphere, tone, style, and themes. There's graphic nudity. Angel is a romantic drama directed by Francois Ozon, starring Romola Garai, Sam Neill, and Lucy Russell. It follows the story of the rise and fall of a young eccentric British writer in the early 20th century. This film has similar story elements, atmosphere, tone, style, and themes. There is mild nudity. The Imitation Game is a biographical drama directed by Morton Tildum, starring Benedict Cumberbatch, Keira Knightley, and Matthew Good. It follows the story of mathematician Alan Turing, who tries to crack the Enigma code during World War II. This film has a similar atmosphere and also stars Keira Knightley. There are no unsuitable scenes. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did Colette. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Colette. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.